Okay, we got the new intermediate in there and the new clutch discs in there. Getting ready to put the pressure plate on.
Just where it was?
Yeah, looks pretty good.
No, you need to get right in between my hands.
Yeah, I need to get in there to see where that's at, but we're like 1.5 inches, so it's way off. So that's the wrong way. Ow, shit. Okay, we'll put that ruler back down there. Okay, we got the new one on. And new bearing. We're going to slide this bitch back together now and we'll see what happens. Good luck to us. Okay. All right. So it should be recording there. Fucking going in easier than it came out.
It's about 100 times faster. So.
Yeah. Let's just hope that that clutch pilot runs up. To me, it looks like the angle's going to be off a little bit, but let's get it started. Let me see that flashlight here.
Keep filming.
Stop there. Okay, now we got to start playing with the train and give it a little tug. That's good. The engine's moving to the trains didn't move. Right?
It's moving a bit. It's moving.
Okay, let me align it again. Is the transmission moving too right now, or is it just the engine?
Nothing's really moving.
Thanks.
Yeah, everything, right?
Okay, we're close. Okay, that's fine.